And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Cardano from Binance to Coinbase. So it's pretty simple to transfer, ADA from Coinbase to Binance. Now I say ADA, but ADA means Cardano, so don't get confused, all right? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase and Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to go to coinbase.com, log in into your account, go on send and receive. Once you go on send and receive, you want to go on receive over here. Once you go on receive, basically what you want to do is you want to choose what you want to receive. So on Coinbase, I want to receive Cardano, so I'm going to click on asset over here and search for ADA. Cardano is also known as ADA. Click on it and it's going to show you the wallet address. Once you see the wallet address, copy it over here. Once you copy it, go back to binance.com, log in into your account and go on wallet and on overview over here. Once you go on overview, you want to go on where it says withdraw. Now, once you go on withdraw, you want to choose the coin which you're transferring. For us it's Cardano, so I'm going to choose Cardano over here real quick, ADA. And choosing Cardano, you want to paste the thing which you copied from Coinbase. After you paste it over here, you want to choose the network. After you choose the network, you can enter the number of ADA you want to send. After that, you can just click on withdraw over here. But right now I can't select any network due to some uncertain reason, but later on, if it is fixed, you guys should be able to choose the network. After you choose the network, there's going to be a box where you guys can enter the number of ADA you want to transfer. After entering that, you just want to click on withdraw and your Cardano will be transferred from Binance to Coinbase. So it's that simple. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Coinbase and Binance to get up to $10 bonus. Bye bye. See you guys in a bit.